Okay, the first thing you're going to be wondering is, it's pre-wired for a Furrion camera, so how is the Haloview going to fit on there? Well, they make kits specifically for that. They have little adapters that connect into the ends of where the Furrion would plug into. And then the bracket on the back just easily comes off with a screwdriver, and you take that bracket off and put the Haloview bracket on. So pretty simple. Just because it's pre-wired for a Furrion doesn't mean you have to have the Furrion camera. All right, let's see what's in the box. And again, this is one with just the single backup camera and the tire pressure monitoring. You can get ones for like longer camera stuff, side marker cameras too, so you can see views off either side. Get the manuals here, how to use it, the user manual, and then, all right, here is the monitor, and this is nice. It's the BT7 is a 7-inch monitor, so I love the bigger monitor you get. And then here is the new bracket that you'll be getting, that you'll just mount right on the camper instead of the other one. It's got a little pre-wired plug right there. You just plug it into what's already there. We give you several different mounts for the viewfinder here, the monitor in your truck, so you can do it several different ways. This one, yeah, it looks like it just slides on there. So this one's a suction cup. You can suck it right to your dash. And what else we got here? This one is this one has some 3M tape on it. So this one, you know, you can permanently adhere it to your dash. All right. Okay, here's the part that I'm going to have to read up on a little bit. So it comes with these 2 signal boosters, and this is for the tire pressure monitoring only, because you have right here these little tire caps. See these right here? This is what's going to monitor your tire pressure, and to get the signal all the way from the tires up to the front of your truck, it needs a little boost. So I'll be showing you how to wire these in too. I've been talking with Haloview back and forth here to determining the best place to put these. So they have specific spots they want them, so I'll let you know about that. And these boosters come with like just alligator clips, so you can clip it on, or you can cut those off and just wire it right into your system too. All right, I'm going to just leave the tire pressure monitors right in the styrofoam there. All right, we also got 3 antennas. So the one goes on the actual camera itself, the other 2 go on the monitor inside your truck. All right, we got a few adapters. This is a pairing cable. I believe this is, I'll have to read up on this. I think it's when you pair the tires with the system here. Got a power cord for the old cigarette lighter, 12-volt adapter. A couple more different ends here, USB cords. All right, so figure out what all these are for. Little metal bracket, some tie straps, some screws. I got 6 lithium batteries, the little coin type ones. Then a little packet full of adhesive and stuff, right, to stick something somewhere. All right, that's all that's in the box. So now I'm going to read the manual here, figure exactly how to put it in, and I'll show you how I'm doing it.